is a master combination lock. See that? And it's been opened, but I can't remember the combination for it. Let's see if we can find the combination to close it. It's me being a clever dick that I am. I had a fiddle with it. Well, hey, before I put the camera on, and then I've moved the reels before I managed to close it. So boys and girls, if you're going to do that sort of thing, be prepared. Ha! Like I wasn't. There we go. Right, so the combination for this is, you can see that, 894. Now what we do with these ones is go across that way, push it down, and that's when you set yourself a new code. So what I'll do is I'll set a new code behind the device so I can't see and you guys can't see. Just randomly new code, pop it over, push that down and spin the wheels again. There we go. And before you saw me do it just in my hand, but normally I use it in the vise just because you get better feedback on it, that sort of thing. Let's make this a little higher. Sorry, new camera setup, so I'm struggling with how to get everything so you guys can all see it. There we go. Now what I do normally is get myself right in the way of the camera. There we go. Just push down here so you can feel the tension. There we go. And then just go like that until you find one of the wheels snags on something there. That I felt a little bit of movement there. Something around there. And there we go. That was easy enough, wasn't it? So the new number is 980. Right, I'll put that back. On to the next one.